Hi, this is Super Tech Guru Harry and I am going to review this reciprocal DEWALT combo kit which I am using from last near about 1 month. It is really very durable combo kit, and see this is a brushless motor DEWALT reciprocal saw, and here is a DEWALT 20V MAX XR reciprocal saw it is, and here is a lock, so I can lock this. Now it is locked. To unlock, just put it push it sideways. Now it is ready to start. Battery I have already installed in this reciprocal saw, and here is the material is on this handle. Here is a rubber coating so it doesn't slip from my hand, and with single hand I can operate this drill, this reciprocal saw. And here is a flashlight, so during night time I use this flashlight to complete my task. And here I install my blade, fix my blade, but right now I have not fixed the blade on it, just to show you the demo. And see, this is very durable reciprocal saw and very compact in size. And this is my DEWALT 12 volt to 20 volt lithium ion charger. On the back side of this charger, here is a wall hook, so using these wall hooks I can install these to the walls, and this to the wall. And here this battery charger recharge my battery within 2 hours from 0 to 100%. And here is red light blink when it charged my battery, and when it fully charged my battery, it here it will be show like a fixed red light, like permanent red light. And how I remove this from this, see, just push and now it is removed. And just press it, and see, it is just now very easily it is fixed here. And this is my combo bag with this kit. See, this is a bag, very durable bag, carrying bag. I carry my all the tools, devices inside this bag to for my work location. This is really durable reciprocal saw combo kit. I am using it from last near about 1 month to complete my lots of projects I already completed. This is really very durable reciprocal saw. See, all around here I install my battery, and very durable product is. And here is see, this material, and this material is of rubber coating on this reciprocal saw, so it doesn't slip from my hand. I recommend this. This is my personal view.